Alright mga riders, at Happy New Year po sa ating lahat. And today's vlog is a very quick review para dito sa napakagandang Neo Retro style na motor ng Triumph, the 600cc. Ang updated version ng Trident 660. So these motorcycles are packed with advanced modern features such as optimized cornering ABS and traction control, quick shifter, slip and assist clutch, 3 riding modes, sports, road and rain, TFT connectivity unit, turn-by-turn navigation, calls, music, and GoPro control. Plus, it is also equipped Type-C USB charger. And ang pinaka-the best, ito po ay meron ng cruise control. So, ganun po kalupit itong bagong updated version ng Triumph Trident 660. And with the same cash price na 524,000 pesos. So, ano pang hanapin mo sa motor na ito mga ka-riders? Nasa kanya na lahat. Alright, so that's it for today. Let's enjoy the night and Happy New Year. Welcome 2025.